Hi everyone, today we're transforming a brand new oversized pair of jeans into a stylish denim tote bag. First, lay the jeans flat on the table and smooth out all the wrinkles. Turn the jeans inside out so we can clearly see the seam lines. Next, carefully cut along the inner leg seam to separate the fabric panels. After opening up the legs, trim away excess sections and remove unnecessary seams. We only need the clean, flat denim panels. Now measure and cut two rectangular pieces, each 47 cm by 23 cm. This will form the main body of the tote bag. Place the two pieces right sides together and align the edges carefully. Sew along all four sides. Now cut a rectangular denim panel measuring 47 cm by 28 cm. Place the interfacing on the wrong side of the denim fabric. Place the second denim panel right side up and align it neatly with the first piece. Now fold the fabric slightly to identify the center line. Use a ruler to measure the full width and mark the midpoint. From the center point, measure 7 cm to the left and 7 cm to the right. Draw the two lines, measure down 3 cm from the top edge. Next, prepare the handle strip. Cut a long denim piece measuring 112 cm by 10 cm. Fold the strip lengthwise and press it flat to create a clean center line. Then from the center point, measure 28 cm to each side and mark clearly. From each 28 cm mark, measure 3 cm outward. These points indicate where the strap will be stitched onto the back body. Now top stitch along the two marked lines to reinforce the area. Attach the strip to the front panel. Carefully align all the marked points so everything matches up evenly. Once aligned, start sewing from the bottom edge and stitch upward until you reach the marked point. Make sure to backstitch at the beginning and end for extra strength. After sewing, trim away any excess fabric to keep the finish clean and neat. Next, prepare a denim panel measuring 47 cm by 26 cm. Fold it in half with the wrong sides together on both sides of the bottom edge. Draw a rectangle measuring 6 cm by 5 cm. Cut along the marked lines to remove these sections. This will help form the base of the bag later. Open the panel back up. Now place it onto the front piece with right sides together. Aligning all edges carefully, sew along the marked seam line. After that, position the back piece on top, again with right sides together, and stitch along the seam line to join all layers. Turn the piece right side out and smooth it flat. Top stitch along both seam lines to reinforce the structure and give the bag a clean, professional finish. Next, sew your favorite label onto the front panel. Finally, fold the entire piece in half with right sides together. Align the side edges precisely, clip them in place, and sew along both side seams to form the body of the bag. Then sew the back corners along this direction. Now let's work on the lining. First, cut one lining piece measuring 70 cm by 47 cm. On both bottom corners, draw a rectangle measuring 6 cm by 5 cm. Just like we did for the outer fabric, prepare another rectangle of lining fabric measuring 47 cm by 25 cm. Fold one long edge inward by about 0.4 cm, then fold it again another 0.6 cm, then top stitch to secure it neatly. Sew along three sides, leaving the top open to form an open pocket. Next, prepare another rectangle measuring 32 cm by 25 cm. This will become a zipper pocket. Sew around all four sides following the marked rectangle. Carefully cut along the center of the stitched rectangle and trim into the corners without cutting through the stitching. Turn the fabric through the opening and press it flat with an iron to create a clean pocket opening. Attach the zipper behind the opening and stitch around it to secure. For added structure, apply fusible interfacing to the bottom section of the lining fabric. Press it firmly to bond. Finally, fold the lining with right sides together and sew the side and bottom seams. Leave a small opening along the bottom seam. This will allow us to turn the bag right side out later. Next, prepare two fabric strips measuring 47 cm by 6 cm. Place the zipper right side facing down onto one strip. Mark 3 reference points to ensure proper alignment. Open the zipper slightly, then position the other side of the zipper onto the second strip, matching the marked points exactly. Sew along the edge to attach it. Trim away any excess zipper length for a clean finish. Now attach the zipper panel to the lining bag. Align the edges and sew it securely in place. Turn the lining right side out. Next, insert the lining into the denim outer bag with right sides facing each other. Carefully match all the side seams and align the top edges. Sew all the way around the top opening. Now turn the bag right side out through the small opening we left earlier in the lining. Once everything is pulled through, close the opening by top stitching along the seam. Push out all the corners neatly to shape the bag. Finally, top stitch once more around the top edge for reinforcement and a clean professional finish. And that's it! Now you have a denim tote bag with a secure zip per pocket and 3 interior compartments for easy organization. If you like it, give it a try. Thank you for watching and supporting me.